Hello everyone. Welcome to Health Benefits Up. In today's video, we going to see the health benefits of fenugreek seeds. Let's get started. Fenugreek has been used traditionally by mothers to increase the production of breast milk and stimulate milk flow while nursing and breastfeeding. The herb contains phytoestrogen that boosts milk production in lactating mothers. Drinking fenugreek tea seems to increase the supply of breast milk in mothers, which promotes weight gain in infants. People with diabetes are often recommended to include fenugreek seeds in their diet because of the positive effects they can have on their health. Studies conducted on the effect of fenugreek seeds on type 2 diabetes have produced favorable results. It was found that fenugreek seeds help control blood sugar and decrease insulin resistance. Fenugreek seeds have a significant effect on cardiovascular health. It protects the heart from serious damage during a heart attack. Heart attacks are a major cause of death, and they occur when an artery leading to the heart gets clogged. Fenugreek seeds prevent further damage to the heart and counteract the oxidative stress that occurs during a heart attack. For those suffering from stomach ailments, fenugreek can be a boon. It is an effective treatment for gastritis and indigestion. It aids in preventing constipation as well as digestive problems created by stomach ulcers. This is because it is a natural digestive tonic, and its lubricating properties help soothe your stomach and intestines. One of the important health benefits of fenugreek seeds is the ability to support weight loss. If you want to lose weight, adding fenugreek seeds to your diet is a must. Fenugreek seeds help in preventing the accumulation of fat and improve the metabolism of lipids and glucose that help in weight loss. Fenugreek supplements are shown to increase sexual performance and interest in men. They are also claimed to improve sex drive in women with a low sex drive. Fenugreek seed oil drops have also been claimed to improve sperm count in men. Fenugreek seeds can also help in reducing the pain of menstrual cramps as well as other symptoms associated with menstruation. Fenugreek seeds have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which is why studies sought to investigate the effect they might have on the pain caused by menstruation. It was found that fenugreek seed powder substantially reduced the pain and symptoms such as fatigue, headache, and nausea. Hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.